Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to fix if notes features on Instagram is not showing on your account. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Instagram account. We can do so by going into our App Store and make sure that we do have an updated account. So just for example, in this one, I'm going to type in Instagram and I'm just going to check if I do have an updated account. So if I do have an updated account then, so there's no problem with that. So if you notice on my screen, it goes to show that I am capable of opening this one. So that means that I do have an updated account. But if in case that the notion here is update, then at that time I'm going to click update so that the account will be updated. So technically that is the first step on how we are going to fix the problem then. So on the other hand, in order for us to resolve the problem, the next step is for us to log in on our Instagram account. So once we are here, we can go ahead and click the profile icon. And once we are routed on this page, we can go ahead and click the three lines here and click settings. So once we are here, we can go ahead and click privacy. And once we are here, we can go ahead and scroll down and click activity status. We need to make sure that we are going to click or turn on the activity status so that the notes features will also be enabled on our account. So if the problem is still existing, the other way or method in order for us to resolve the problem is going into our settings. So once we are here on settings, we can go ahead and click help. And right after that, we can click report a problem. And right after that, we're going to click this and we're going to click report a problem. So we're going to click include and continue. And right after that, we can now type in our concern. So just like for example, this one, I have here, hi Instagram team, note feature is not showing on my account. Please help me resolve the issue. Thank you. And once everything is set, then I can go ahead and click send. So basically, those are the three steps in order for us to resolve the issue if the note feature is not available on our Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next one.